Good morning and welcome to today's episode of Random Guy number 6. Today we're doing a little science and we're going to be testing gold. Let's see if it's real, see if these diamonds are real, and I'm going to take you through the easy process, and then you got some chemical solutions to try. But if you don't know the story, basically what happened was I was driving from here to go visit my Uncle Johnny in Arizona, and when I pulled into a gas station, this gentleman approached me, said he was from Dubai, and that he had his wallet stolen in LA and was trying to get him, his wife, and his son back to Florida so they could get back home to Dubai. Now, I'm sure everybody is like, oh my God, that's a scam, it's a scam. Maybe it was. I went over to his pump, I put my credit card in to get him some gas, and I walked away, and he's made sure that I took this ring. And I said, look, man, you need it more than I do, just take the gas and have a good day. Well, he wouldn't let me leave without taking the ring. So he gave me the ring, forced me to take it, and then asked if I would give him some food for money. And I'm like, how much you need? So he broke out these 2 very heavy chains, and I gave him some money for food. And in Florida plates, his wife was covered in gold. She actually pulled these right off of her neck. So basically, maybe I got scammed, maybe I didn't, but the truth of the matter is he needed the money more than I did, so now he has it. And hopefully he used it towards something good because he was with his family, or maybe there were a bunch of scam artists, but I doubt it. I mean, they really seemed like genuine people, but maybe I'm a bad judge of character. So today we are going to test this gold, we're going to test the diamonds, and we're going to see if it's all real. So I did buy this handy dandy scale also on Amazon, and you can see it's zeroed out. Now it comes with this nice little thing. It says that it's exactly 50 grams, so you can test and calibrate this. You set that on there. It should be exactly 50, but it's not. So we know it's a little bit off. And, oh, nope, there it is. Everything stopped moving. You can't breathe on it, I guess. All right, so let's see how much we have for grams in gold. Put the ring on there. Put the chain on there. And there's the other chain. So it looks like we have a total of 77, we'll just call it 77 grams. Now our first test is super simple. If it is fake gold, it will float. Real gold is heavy and will sink to the bottom of a glass of water. So, we're good so far. Okay, well that's a quick and easy one. You can see nothing is floating, it's not even thinking about floating, and it sunk directly to the bottom. So let's move on to the next test, which is going to be the magnetic test. So gold is non-magnetic, so this is an extremely powerful magnet. Let's see if it picks any of these up. Ooh, oh, it got the clasp. Just the clasp though. So part of the, oh, this must be just this little ring here. It'll actually come into focus. That ring. Well, let's check this one. Yep, look at that. Same thing on this one. Just that ring. Now let's check the ring. All right. Just so you understand exactly how powerful this magnet is, it's pretty powerful. So I would say that's a pretty good test. So next I want to check the diamonds that are in it. So let's see if the diamonds are real, and that'll be our next step before we do the final acid test. Here's a diamond tester. I bought it on Amazon. I don't remember how much it is, but I will leave a link in the description. For one of these, you just need to turn it on, and then you need to figure out, this first light needs to light up. I don't know if we can actually see it or not. And once the first light is lit up, the second light needs to be lit up, and then we can set this to where it needs to be set. Now, these are pretty small diamonds, I think. I would say less than half a carat, or less than a tenth of a carat, I should say. In which case we need to set our meter. Well, you really can't see that, can you? There we go. Nope. Let's see. So we need to set ours to 6. That's what the instruction manual says, and hopefully you can actually see it. And the lamp is warmed up. So this is my bracelet. I know it's real. So we can test the diamond on this one. Oh. That beeping means that it's good. So, let's check some of the diamonds in this. That's not a good sign. That noise, it said, I believe it says that it's touching metal, and the metal it looks like diamond, so it's not really a diamond, it's actually metal. So I would say there's a good possibility that the diamonds in this ring are fake. Now, since I tested it on this and the machine works fine, and I tested it on this and it was making a funny noise, I'm sure the machine works fine. So my guess is the diamonds are fake, but not all hope is lost. So now it's time to actually test the gold with some acid tests. Now our final test is the acid test. So we have this little stone, and we need to take each of these, and in an inconspicuous spot, we're going to grind a little bit off. So I'm going to do 2 for the ring. Let's do... So we know the only piece on here that isn't gold is that little ring. So let me just take any random spot here, I think. Two for that one. And we'll take 2 pieces on this one. Now basically, if it disappears, that's how you know the actual carat of the gold. So we're going to start out with 10 carat. This is a 10 carat solution. We're just going to take a little drop on one of each of these. Okay, and you can see the first one completely dissolved. This one is definitely dissolved. This one partially dissolved. You know, don't jump or don't fall for all of the any random guy who runs up to you at a gas station offering you gold. Like I said, this was kind of a weird situation. I tried buying him free gas, and he forced me to take the gold. So it was kind of a different thing. Maybe. So regardless, good things do happen to good people. I'm happy. I hope you're happy. And if you want to test your own gold, now you know how you can test it. And I guess I'll see you soon.